Hey guys, Xfer Sonance here, back for another video. In this video, we'll be making this Sagan style lead in Serum. The final sound will sound like this. So let's dive into preset. So we got this chord. So first enable the filter. I'm gonna go for the low 24. Then shape edit for 1. Like this. Right to the cutoff. Just like this. Set the trigger. So with animation of the rate, you can control the rhythm of the chords. Just like this. So now let's shape it oscillator A. Go for the U note. Or 5 unisons. Wavetable around here. And then select oscillator B. Right to the filter. Go for this wavetable. So we want to go for some more analog wavetables. Put up 3 unisons. Let's take FM from B. Put F for 1 to it. And put up 1 octave. Put up the drive a little bit fatness. And a little bit of firstness. So now, let's dive into effects. First of all, some mix with hyper. Then some OTT. Just like this. I don't want to master a bit because it's clipping. There's the EQ, give the low cut. Just like this. Let's take the bell filter. So we're going to boost this frequency. So right edit for 1 to it. Just like this. That's a chorus. So we'll give this effect. So around here. That's a flanger. We'll get some more movement as well. Phaser. So those 3 effects will give some more analog sound. So to finish it off, some reverb and delay. So get a low cut, lower mix, decay, a bit less size. And there you have the Sagan style lead. So if you want to make a rhythm with it, go to the rate, and automate it. And that's it. So there you have your sound. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next videos.